All Pro Exterior Services here again. Getting the ladder out. We got a nice, beautiful property in one town over from us. So here's what we're gonna do. They got gutter guards, so we're just gonna take the stuff off of the gutters, and they got a few valleys. We're gonna get that off. Of course, do a full house wash. And let's see the front of this property. It's kind of nice. Got some shade today, so that's fine. And then here's the front of the house. Get it step back here. See up there in the dormer window? We got to get that out, and then we're gonna get this out here. So he could probably get right here with the 20 and extend the pole lat. That's all we're gonna do. We ain't getting on the roof. But yeah, that's about it. We've been slammed in and trying to get videos in. It's just been tough. I'm gonna jump on property protection, let Anthony do his thing. So hopefully when I'm done property protection, he's done with that, and then we can just start spraying. It's got some intricate parts to this house, as you can see over here, but it's not bad. I mean, it's vinyl, so it's easy. And then, oh, got a boat shed too. If you can see it back here, a little boat shed. And I forgot my headband at the house. Oh, let's go check this boat shed out. Be nice to be on the water today with the boat. Very soon, I'll get some footage. So here's the shed. This ain't nothing. It's got algae on it, but I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out. I'm gonna spray the bottom of his boat too. He wants me to spray it, but I don't know what's gonna happen with that. But anyway, all right, guys. Oh, let's show you backside. So yeah, looks good. All right, we'll catch up with you soon. All right, peace. Setting up the metering. Get the water. Soap on 5, bleach on 4. That's good. And check my remote. You can see the 3-way ball valve. Open, close. We're primed. We're gonna go ahead and get rolling. Is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull my egg hose out, and I'm using 1/2-inch egg hose, 300 foot, and it is rated for I think it's 600 psi, 800 psi, and it is stiff. I'm getting a lot of questions on that. It's very stiff. Now they got some at pressure washing products. It's I don't know if it's Curatech or FlexTech or something, but it's rated for like 300 psi, and a buddy of mine uses that, and it seems to be a little bit more flexible. So, you know, I can't tell you what to do, but this hose is okay. The only problem I got is when you're shooting the gun and 10 feet away from the gun, it seems to curl up a couple times. I got a swivel on the gun, so that helps, but still, it doesn't eliminate it. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up this thing with fuel because I have not had time to put it to the tank yet. And then once we do that, we'll just start spraying. Tony's halfway done the gutters, already properly protected. He'll be done in about 10 minutes. Spray this thing, spray that back, and we're out. Catch up. Peace. On the first side here, just wetting some vegetation down a little bit. Again, we're using a house mix, so we ain't roof washing here. And we got a gutter up top here, so I apologize for the camera view. Like I said, I forgot my helmet, but it's okay. My helmet, my headband or whatever, I don't know. We're just so tired from working. We was in Mississippi yesterday doing a big job. Tried to get footage, but just got too busy, man. Just get hemmed up with the, So anyway, we're gonna hit this front. I'm gonna hit the side over here, work my way toward the back of my trailer, so when we reel up, we're golden. The easy reel. Spray and go, baby. And this guy's already called 3 neighbors to come over and check me out, but I don't know when we're gonna even have time to even quote them. So, but it's all good. Life's good, man. Blessed. Blessed, blessed. So anyway, I'm gonna hit my soap on. Soap on. Soap on. Remember, we got about 45 seconds before the soap comes out, so we can still continue vegetation for about 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Just a FYI. Get the roots good. We should be getting soap here in a minute. Soap it down. Hit them dormer. Oh yeah, look at them dormers. Make sure you get your before and after pics too. Again, you could take 4. I mean, I like to do 4 per. I mean, you can get 4 pics to post to your website or whatever. I mean, different angles. You don't work them angles. So here we go. We got soap. Oh yeah, looking good already. All right, guys, catch up. Keith. Girls, on the back of this property. Just getting ready to hit the soap on. I'm just doing a little pre-wetting here. Just wetting all this down a little bit. Yeah, the headband comes in handy. I tell you, holding this camera is for the birds. But, you know, we'll get it done. So we got that high peak up there, so you can see we got that hot window over here, so we got to be cognizant of that. So we're going to go ahead and wet this down a little bit, let it cool down. Even that siding. That's it. Soap on. Action, action. Take 2. Again, 30 to 45 seconds of time to, you know, get your soap in. So coming out nice though. Went ahead and did that back shed. He even threw in his boat for him. He wanted me to do his boat, so we said, of course, we'll do the boat. It didn't come out too well though, because it's not algae. It's just barnacles and rust and all kind of other stuff. But the shed came out really nice. Okay, we're shooting soap now. I'll hit this little area here. Sorry, again, I need to get my headband back. We hit this chimney. No problems. I'm going to hit the front of the chimney. No problems. It's the yay arm. We don't have problems. With this side. Sometimes you gotta let this stuff sit a little longer than normal, like these gutters are bad, you see them? It's already coming off, so let that gutter too. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and hop on this deck, get the spraying, and we'll catch up with you in a minute. Alright, peace. Balcony, this is the third side, then they got the last side. Got a little friend there. Knock them out. But anyway, look, this is my trailer. Look, hitting the trailer. Beast. So we're just about to put the soap on, just wetting it down a little bit. This is the area. Got a wasp nest right there, but we got it, so we're good. Wetting those bushes down again. The sun is beaming today. Okay, we're gonna turn the bleach on and spray this back. Let me put an action shot in there. Action, action. Always double turn it on or double click or whatever you, just because we'll make sure. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the deck. I'm gonna go ahead and spray all this side, and I'm gonna hit that little last section right there. Roll underneath, get that little last side. We'll call this sucker a wrap. So it'll be nice. It'll turn out really nice. It already has turned out nice. Customers really praising the work, which is good. That's a good thing for us. So we do quality work for people. Pick this up too. Put it in my pocket for now. You do quality work for people, the word just spreads, man. It's like wildfire. I already got another 5 text messages today about, oh, come do my house, come do this. So anyway, all right guys, we got soap. We'll hit this lattice work. Hit that. Hit the roof line. Good backing, let that marinate. Make sure you get around the poles good because they can be tricky. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and roll. Catch up with you in a minute. Peace. Well, last side of the house. Look at the beautiful flowers. Don't want to mess them up. So we'll just put a little water down here and be alright. Okay. Let me turn soap on. You're getting a lot of action jackson today. That's how we do it, baby. Again, you got a little bit of something. Hey, Anthony, come see. Get this all nice and rolling. Should be getting soaked. Should be getting soaked here in a minute. Look at that little window. Spraying it down, baby. Look at that nasty stuff. Some of this stuff is stained, like with iron. We got a lot of clay in this neck of the woods. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this. Oh, finish washing, rinse. We'll get that. Peace. Body all pro. This is another little job we're getting in. It's fairly, we're doing 3 sides, not the back. Look at the vegetation. Beautiful property. It's kind of in a business part of town. Is very, you know, it ain't that big of a house, but it's very nice. Very nice. So we're gonna spray some Chem on here and do some testing. Again, this is hardy barred, so it should come off pretty easy. So we'll just do this little section here and run it out. See if we can get it done. See how it comes out. Aluminum siding, a fascia up there, so. Okay, we're gonna let that sit. And hopefully we have much grubbing to do. Get it off. And while I'm doing that, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this line clean with the rest of this because I think it's gonna work. That's what it is. That's what it is. This is a job we picked up just now, actually. The guy stopped me. You pressure wash? Yeah, of course we pressure wash. This is all pro, baby. What do you think we're doing? So, and I said, yeah, we'll hit it. That's what we're doing. Be here about 30 minutes, depending on how this React does. But yeah, we had a good day. Busy day. Busy day. So, I don't know if that's going to come off, though. Anyway, we'll check it out. Alright, guys. Catch up. Peace. The solution seemed to be working very well. Been here about maybe 15 minutes. Second side, and we got one more side, and we're out. Nice little ticket. Emergency tickets. I like emergency tickets. Dude from Sweden, so he's going back to Sweden. He wants this place clean by a pro. So, while we're here, shoot that peak. Look at that. No problem. Get the windows. Put that. What they call it, the pressure tech stuff. The eliminator. Streak-free windows. I know I'm gonna get 100 million comments. Oh, that doesn't do right. Anyway, we're gonna wrap this up here in a second and roll out. Catch up with you guys. Peace. Well, went ahead and finished this up. It's about 40 minutes total. I was talking with the customer and everything else. All that stuff came off with the mix. We just had to let it set a little bit longer. It's actually hardy barred on the side and wood in the front, and he's a serviceman. The cool Pelican here he had made, but I went ahead and washed this for him. Just soft washed it. Yeah, home came out nice. I'll show you this Pelican, how bad to the bone it is. Because of the Brave. Home of the free. Got all your different services here. Look at the eyes with the flag in it. Oh man, that's tags. Love it. right, guys, we'll catch up. Peace. Look, got a job end of the day. We was able to squeeze it in, and we removed some guards. Again, we got customers that have the guards and they hate them, and the ones that don't have them want them. And I'm like, dude, y'all got to get it right. You have to get it right. Anyway, we beat up. Long day. What, rig's doing well? Hey, y'all, 45's just a beast. A little bit more water than we want, but it's alright. We got it right. But yeah, man, it's been busy, not getting too much filming, just kind of been going through some personal situations with my daughter, and
garage now?
yeah, we're gonna do that back sign.
What?
The little sign in the back. That's it. And then
Garage?
I don't think so. So anyway, I've been going through that, and I just, you know, it's hard to film. It's hard to. The only time I get my mind right is when I'm doing something. Not, you know, I don't know. Anyway, that's something off the record. But, all right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up, blow it off, get to the back, blow that off. We got a little bit of area to blow off. Up here, a little balcony that you can't even get to. Just pull it up. Alright, guys, we'll catch you on a wrap up. I'm gonna do a wrap up because I don't have the headband on the camera. We'll catch up with you in a minute. Alright, peace. Back at the house, got the rig in the shade, got some water for tomorrow. We got a big job tomorrow. We have it's a whole package. Roof, driveway, house wash. So we're gonna fill up with each SH in the morning. Top off. I even may bring 15 gallons because this house is big. That's the only thing I plan to do tomorrow. So we'll get in and out of that bad boy and come back to the house. Try to get caught up on some maintenance. But all right. Appreciate everybody watching. Please like, sub, call, comment. I'm here to help. Like to spread the love. It's all pro coming at you. We're out. Peace.